Hello my friends and welcome to Haircare TV. In today's video I'm going to show you the perfect hairstyle for bedtime. So let's get started with today's video. Here on this channel I share tips and tricks to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals without spending too much time, energy and money. I even share super easy hairstyles so that you can do them quickly and look amazing. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which I do on every Saturday 5 p.m. You can do this hairstyle if you have medium to long hair. For this hairstyle you would only need an hair elastic. So first I'm gonna start combing my hair and we'll talk a little bit about the hairstyle. So for bedtime hairstyle, three things are super important for me. First, it has to be quick and super easy because at the end of the day you don't have the time and energy to do some complicated hair. Then second, I want it to protect my hair because when you are sleeping your hair can get tangled up or it can rub against each other and your hair can get damaged. And then the third and most important thing is comfort. So keeping these three things in mind, I have came up with this hairstyle and I have been doing this for many years now. And today I'm gonna share the secret with all of you. So I'm done with combing my hair. I don't always have a dominant parting. While I sleep I just do whichever parting I like. So I'm gonna take all my hair in the back and then I will take my hands away from my head. Like this, and then I will start braiding my hair into a 3-strand braid. But I'm gonna keep my hair away from my head like this, and then I will bring it in the front and continue to do the 3-strand braid until I reach the ends. I will secure the ends with an hair elastic. So I have the braid on and my braid will keep my hair untangled and it will not rub against each other. Now my hair is loose here, so I can sleep comfortably and nothing will be in my way while I'm sleeping. So when I will sleep I will just throw my braid out of the way and I can sleep straight. I can sleep on my left side, I can sleep on my right side, I can sleep however I want to. And then when you will wake up in the morning, your hair will get a little bit messed up but you can just keep your braid on the side and it will look stylish yet natural. And after a while I just take my hair and I tie it into a bun and then I just look put together after I wake up. So if you don't know how to do a 3-strand braid, I already have a video, you can go and check that up in here. And the technique which I used to tie my hair bun, I also have a video on that as well. Question of the day: what is that one thing that you would definitely want in your sleep hairstyle? For me, it's comfort. Do let me know in the comment section down below what is that one important thing for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.